alarm tone as a test of our weather radio station's warning alarm system. This is only a test. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon Eastern Time each Wednesday. If there is a threat
Look what time it is.
severe weather,
It's almost 12 o'clock.
we will
I thought they were
postpone the
going
test to the
to take
next
forever.
available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tones, will vary at any given location. The variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. In order to provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, we will activate the signal only for the following counties which are within our broadcast reach: Adair, Casey, Clinton, Greene, Knox, Floral, Lincoln, Marion, McCreary, Metcalfe, Pulaski, Rockcastle, Russell, Taylor, Wayne, and Whitley counties. Once again, this has been a test of the National Weather Service's Radio Public Warning Alarm. We will now return to recorded programming.
This hazardous weather outlook is for the following counties.
It's over here.
Clinton, Greene, Lincoln, Marion, Metcalfe, Russell, and Taylor.
Got these two here off as well.
Today and tonight. No hazardous
It's almost
weather
12
is
o'clock.
expected at this time.
I thought it took forever.
And now the extended outlook for the Thursday.